Here is a quick tip guide on why you should invest in a professional photographer for your wedding day. A professional wedding photographer is an important part of any wedding as it involves capturing all your special moments that happen during the wedding day. A professional will know when to arrive at your location and what equipment they will need to bring. Professionals will also know how to adapt to weather and lighting changes. Their skill as professionals means they know just where to stand to get the best shot. It may seem like a good idea to have a family member or friend to capture your memories for you, but most of the time these are just quick shots that won't have the correct camera settings or the best quality images that reflect your wedding. Your wedding photographer will know what crucial moments to look out for and when. Hiring a professional also means you can rely on them to guide and instruct you with posing. Everyone wants to look good in their wedding photos. An experienced photographer will not hesitate to provide you with direction and guidance during the process and will also make it an enjoyable experience for both of you. Regret is something you don't want to feel because you haven't hired a professional photographer. Your wedding day will pass by very quickly. Beautiful, professional wedding photos will help you look back and remember. Not hiring a professional photographer can mean receiving a set of images with plenty of missed moments and lost details. Being able to capture details and tell the story of your wedding is something that an experienced wedding photographer is able to do. A professional wedding photographer can help you relax and enjoy these special moments. Trust and experience are necessary for developing this skill. Experienced photographers often work with couples who aren't used to being photographed together. There's no shame in being uncomfortable in front of the camera, but we'll be happy to assist you relax a bit so you can enjoy yourself. Professional wedding shooters always have some tricks up their sleeve to make the photo session more enjoyable for the happy couple. The best wedding photographers will do more than just ask you to pose for the camera, they'll make you forget that a camera was even pointed in your direction. Wedding photography isn't about the camera, it's about the person behind the camera. Someone may have the best camera in the world, but the photos will still be low quality if they don't know how to take a great shot. Wedding photography is definitely not just point and shoot. Risk management is another benefit of hiring a professional photographer. They won't rely on just one piece of equipment to work perfectly on the day. A full-time photographer won't let you down and always has a plan B. They always have backup equipment, such as a second camera, lots of memory cards, and many lenses. They also back up all their images. A professional leaves nothing to chance. So for your wedding, don't leave anything to chance. Hire a professional photographer to capture all your special memories. Thanks for watching the Wedding Ideas TV channel, and please don't forget to subscribe.